Well, hi, my name is Jeff Barlett, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Ode to Joy by Beethoven on the acoustic guitar. As you can see, I was playing that on one string, except for one note on the third fret of the D string here. As you can see, most of the song is going to be played on the B string. So, let's get started. So, the first part of the song is actually going to be played on the B string. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go open, open, 1, 3, 3, 1, open, open. So it should sound like this. Open, 1, 3, 3, 1, open. So practice that and then we'll go to the next part. So the next part of the song, it's going to be like this. It's going to be on the B string again, and it's going to be open, open, 1, 3, 1, open, open. So it should sound like this. So we want to practice this. And then after you get both the first part and the second part down, you want to actually put them together like this. Well, that's actually the second part. Let's play the first part and the second part together. It should sound like this. You want to practice that so it sounds like that, okay? And the thing is, it's going to be tricky because you're going to be playing open strings back to back. So practice the first part, then the second part, and then play it together, okay? So after you learn the first part and the second part and you feel comfortable playing the first part and the second part together, I want you to learn the third part of the song, and it's going to sound like this. Now notice, I played everything on one string, which is the B string, except the D string on the third fret, which is the last note. So I'm going to walk you through how I do this. So on the B string, it's going to be open, 1, open, open, 1, 3, 1, open, open, 1, 3, 1, open, open, 1, and then you go to the third fret of the D string and pluck the third fret of the D string. So it should sound like this all together. So it should be open, 1, open, open, 1, 3, 1, open, open, 1, 3, 1, open, open, 1, third fret of the D string. So practice it. It should sound like this. No, not like that. Like that. So after you feel comfortable playing all the sections of the song, you want to combine it all together and play the whole song, which should sound like this. Like that. And all I had to do was play the whole song on one string, which is the B string, except for that final note, which is on the D string of the third fret. It's a very simple song to learn how to finger pick, and if you enjoyed my video, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and God bless.